This is a band that I'm working on right now to go with one of the overshot pieces that I just finished, that I posted on my last post. And this little piece of orange right here is my measuring guide to make sure I keep my width the same. And this is my pickup stick here. So I'm going to pass the shuttle through, and then we grab and pinch and pull. And then we're going to change the shed. This is going to be a down shed. Pass the shuttle through, pinch and pull. And we're going to do up, switch hands here. And the pattern that's coming here, these little flowers, is something that's automatically going to come up. It's something that I put into the setup. So there's no counting, there's no pickup. It just is going to automatically happen. I always want to pull on this, otherwise right in here you can get kind of a knot. There we go. So this down here is my rigid heddle. I got this one in Russia, and it has a line of holes and then slots in between, and it allows you to change your sheds very, very easily. There's another way of doing this without the rigid heddle, and it's using a stick heddle, and I'll show that on another video. Let's see, we're on an up shed now. I love making bands. It's just so peaceful, and they're so beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed my little demonstration here, and if you're interested, I am going to be putting together some how-to videos on YouTube for your knowledge and enjoyment. It'll be down the line just a little bit, but I'll get there. Thanks for watching.